All right. Okay. Okay. So, right. So you can not watch this video. It's just my live session trying to improve my this process where the use case is the need to renew a web server specific site certificate using Let's Encrypt. And the problem, the complications that today I bring down all the servers, and I'm using GPT Plus to help me create a script where I can communicate directly with the web server to shut down any specific website. Okay, so if you're not technical and not a web developer, this video doesn't matter to you. But also, if you are, it may not matter as well. I'm just recording, testing, experimenting with recording the working session with when using GPT Plus. Okay, all right. So I'm going to switch to the. Oh yeah, so I have here my. Oops, yeah, my mechanism for switching screens, and I don't know. I wanted to. I see if I can zoom in this screen, right? But then I wanted to collapse. Oh yeah. All right. So okay, so I am asking help to create the solution where I communicate directly with the web server to bring down the server. Okay, so this is true. Okay, so this is the script for bringing down the server, and here is the script for disabling and enable the domain. All right, so I have to zoom out here for me. Okay, so all right, so I'm going to probably go with this first test. Let's see if this works. Okay, name of a website, right? There are many websites. For instance, this taboca.com.br is the one I want to bring down. Okay, actually, let's bring down agali.com. Okay, so this would be something like this, I guess. Oops. Accessing production. Well, so you can see the screen better, right? Accessing production. All right. Now, if I do this, sudo docker compose, no, I mean sudo docker ps. Okay. All right. Sudo docker compose, for instance, okay, your domain, right? Okay, that's www.mgali.com. Yeah, yeah, www.mgali.com dot conf. All right. I want to move to etc. Apache 2 sites available. www.com .conf .disabled. It doesn't matter the file name. Okay, yes. Now, if I do this as a test, can't find a suitable configuration file in this direction. In this directory, any parent. Are you in the right direction? Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Now, according to Minimi, I mean GPT plus O3 mini high, I maybe should be able to, oops, enter. So first, here, accessing this website, it's live, it's there. Right. Now, let's revert here to my cam. Okay, go back to the screen. All right. Now, trying to execute the web server again with the configuration file changed. Now reload this page. Yep, the site's not alive anymore. So this is going to work, right? So what we have here is, let's revert. Oops, the reverting script would be this, right? Sudo www.megali.com.conf dot disabled to slash etc slash Apache 2 slash sites enabled www.mgal.com.conf, right? Okay. And gracefully reload the server. Again, reload. Yep. Okay, so time for a little celebration, I guess. Okay. And so this was a good thing. So again, my problem, every time I needed to renew the certificates, I was bringing down 20, 30 websites. Now I have a way to go there. The In this case, I think I want to point that what I knew the direction, so I gave to ChatGPT to GPT Plus their initial prompt. I said I suggested the idea of can we access that specific Docker for that specific container web server to disable a virtual site. I'm trying to find my, and I gave the data. I pasted some configuration scripts there. My point is, I think what changed here is I didn't know the command. So I would need to visit the documentation for that, right? and which is very simple, right? Docker compose exec, name of the service, etc. And I didn't know that I could do, the bash dash c, right? And now that I'm recording and talking about this, oh wait, the screen, right? Now that I'm recording and talking about this, this is helping me to reinforce, rehearse what's going on here, right? So I'm talking about the things that I gave to to GPT Plus, and then it gave me back something. I'm talking just like talking with a coworker. I like directions. This is a goal. So as a product person, as switching the context right to the product person, I want to go in this direction. So probably my next step is to instruct GPT Plus Mini Me to consider a file that I'm using with all the name. There's a configuration file with the names of all these different servers, and I'll probably need the file name for these files that I'm referring there in that structure. And I think the Minimi will be able to do that for me and to update the script to support the parameter. So I can pass, like bring down, renew certificate for mgali.com. And then what this thing is going to do is to, right, edit that file, restart the server, website is down, do the certificates renewing magic, reverse everything, and that's it. So, yeah, one more interesting session with GPT Plus O3 Mini High, in this case, the Mini Me for development infrastructure, DevOps, I guess. Yes. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stop recording.